Hello everyone, hope you are doing well in these bad, difficult situations. Today we will talk about one of the most famous electrical devices used for testing the batteries, called dummy load. One of the most famous models, the HC battery load tester, is the 50113 that we will talk about today. This project was done by Muhammad Majid and Ali Banjak, and it is presented for the Professor Ghulam Hussein Riyahi at the Polytechnic University of Technology in Tehran. As a definition, a battery tester is an electronic device intended for testing the state of an electric battery, going from a simple device for testing the charge actually present in the cells and/or its voltage output, to a more comprehensive testing of the battery's condition, whether the battery is fully charged, well charged, or out of charge. Importance. First, it's widely used in huge important companies. Any electrical company that have electrical devices, they obviously need batteries, and before using such batteries we need to test the condition of such battery, whether it's good or bad. It is used by car fixing garage for battery maintenance. It's known by its cheap price. Any garage man or anyone who is interested in testing the batteries can go and buy such electric device. It's easy to use and it is finally portable. Here there is a picture showing the dummy load circuit. We have the positive and the negative load terminals, the power indicator LED with the input 9 volt, and this is the resistor of it, the logic level MOSFET transistor, two amplifiers, and the inputs and the outputs indeed voltage.
We have four types of battery testers. First, the electronic battery tester. Second, the domestic battery tester. Third, the universal battery tester. And fourth and finally, the car battery tester. We are gonna start with the electronic battery tester. Electronic and digital battery tester are used to test the remaining capacity of a battery. Most digital models feature an LCD display which presents the result of the battery test in a clear and easy to read format, often displayed in the form of bars or a graph, depending on the particular model. This enables quick reading and analysis of the test results via a user-friendly interface. Second, we have the domestic battery tester. A domestic or household battery tester is normally used for rechargeable cylindrical batteries, including AA batteries, AAA batteries, and 9 voltage PP3 batteries. Common battery chemistries include alkaline, NiCd, and lithium ion. These standard chemistry types cover the majority of everyday household batteries, including those outlined above, as well as additional battery types such as C batteries and D batteries. A typical domestic battery tester will be suitable for testing a combination of these battery types, if not all of them. Third, we have the universal battery tester. Universal battery testers are suitable for use with batteries in a range of different sizes. Similarly to domestic battery testers, they are primarily used for cylindrical batteries, as the one we mentioned before. However, some voltage meters can test a large variety of different sized batteries, ranging from smaller button cell batteries through to larger industrial and automotive batteries, which means this universal battery tester can be used for all types of batteries. Fourth and finally, the car battery tester. Car battery testers are intended for use with lead acid batteries. These testers connect to vehicle batteries to provide a clean indication of battery's health, condition, and voltage output. Battery testers for automotive applications are important. It is crucial to determine the condition of car batteries as high currents are drawn during startup, during the ignition of the car. You must ensure that your tester is compatible with lead acid batteries before use in order to ensure safe testing condition.
Here we have different shapes of different models for the dummy load. We have the BT75, DHC 60 113, Matson DHC 4 with different inputs for testing several batteries at the same time, BT280, and finally one of the most famous dummy loads that we are talking about today is the DHC 5011-3. This model company's name is DHC. Its serial number 50113. It is suitable for 6 volt and 12 volt batteries. The countries which invest in such electrical devices: Malaysia, America, China, and Lebanon. How such electric device is connected to a battery? This device has two terminals, such as any electrical device used for testing the batteries, whether or the resistors or the current, the voltage. We have two terminals, the red one, which is universally known for the positive terminal, and the black, which is universally known, it's connected for the negative terminal, and of course it's connected in parallel with the battery. How does it work? As we said before, it's used to test the condition or the load of different kind of batteries. And here we have two cases for the battery, whether it's fully charged, well charged, or if the battery is out of charge, or it is known as a weak battery. We need to get rid of. If the battery is fully charged, well charged, there is a needle located in the middle of the screen that will shift to the right, reading the amount of the battery's charge. For example, we have a 12 volt with a battery, or a battery with initial voltage 12 volt. When we push the switch and turn it on, the needle which is located in the middle of the screen will shift to the left, slightly to the left, using the switch which is located under the screen. In order to understand, we have this video. This is the needle located at the initial voltage, and it is connected to this battery, 150 horsepower, and the positive terminal. This is the red one, the wire, the black wire at the negative terminal, and this is the switch. The moment we turn on the switch, the needle slightly moves to the left and remains constant. This means that the battery is known as a good battery, or it is well charged battery.
The second case we're talking about today if the battery is out of charge. If the battery is out of charge, the needle will move from the battery's charge, which is normally around 12 volt, to the left side the moment we push the switch, which means under 9 volt, or usually it goes under 4 volt. In the following video, we're discussing the case when we have an old battery. It must be around 12 volt. If it was under 9 volt, then we must get rid of it. According to these readings we're seeing on the screen, we need to do some calculations, but for easier usage, we can use the dummy load to get faster results. Here we have two terminals, the positive terminal and the negative terminal, and we are gonna connect them to the dummy load. As we see here, the voltage of this battery is around 12 volt. We are gonna hit the switch. When we hit the switch, it goes under 4 volt. This indicates that this battery is not good and we shall get rid of it. We conclude that dummy load is considered one of the best devices used for testing the batteries, and it should be available in any electrical company and car fixing shops or garages. We are thankful for Tecom Energy Company, Eric the Car Guy YouTube channel. This is the link for this YouTube channel. RS Components Ltd and DHC Company. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for your time.